Now, I don't usually make YouTube videos, but this one's just a little bit interesting. Tidying up in the shed, checking some batteries and some tools. We've got a CK Tools non-contact voltage detector. Pretty basic. We have a Aliexpress sourced UE 858D hot air desoldering tool. Interestingly, voltage detector detects mains on the flex going to the handpiece, even though the unit is turned off. It's obviously plugged into the mains, but turned off at the unit. Surely not. Another voltage detector. Same deal. Let's have a look at the connector. Male pins. Be a little bit careful here. Male pins with mains voltage sitting on them, even though the unit is turned off. Lethal.